Hey everyone, enjoy the show. It's Jeff from Mantiques Network. How you doing? I am super excited. This is Labor Day weekend coming up, and I am blasting out to the Phoenix area to see my sister and my friend Maureen and other friends. So what we have here is a 60-inch drink Coca-Cola tin sign that's been framed. Obviously, it was in some type of retail operation. It's in great shape. It's big, it's bold, it's beautiful. Got the red Coke color. So if you are into Coca-Cola or looking for a great big sign for your exhibit, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the